And that is how you make tomato and cream pasta. But first, let's go back to the beginning. Hey everybody, today for lunch I'm going to show you how to make a creamy tomato pasta sauce, or some people call it a pink sauce. It's real easy. All you need is any kind of tomato based pasta sauce. It can be tomato basil, it can be marinara, it doesn't matter as long as it's tomato based pasta sauce. You're going to need cream, you're going to need butter, and you're going to need some grated cheese. We're going to put this together real quick. It's going to be a great sauce. Tastes delicious, and let's make some lunch. Here comes the pasta. Alright, so lunch is done. Pasta looks great, smells good. Let's test it out. It sounds good too. I like when the sauce sounds good. Like you can tell it's going to be nice and creamy and juicy. Really, really good. Look at that. The sauce sticks to the pasta. So if you like cream sauces like I do, heavy sauces, this is going to be a pasta for you. Here's the first bite. Oh yeah. They want to charge you $9, $10 now for a good cream sauce. You can use any tomato sauce. You can use cheap tomato sauce. Make it like this. It's going to be delicious. Real good. Nice and creamy. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Just right. This is a delicious pasta sauce. I'm going to go finish my lunch, and you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.